A very good morning, dear students. So now we'll move on to the chapter called Natural Disaster. Okay. In disaster, what you are going to learn is meaning of natural disaster. We are going to learn types of natural disaster and the causes of these natural disasters, and what are the measures or the precautions we can have when these natural disaster going to occur. That are safety measures. So, what is natural disaster? They have given see. Observe the given picture and answer the following questions. What does the picture show? So, the left hand side, what you are seeing, it's a example for the natural disaster. So, you people have to say me that whether it's a construction or a destruction. So, what could be the reason behind this? That you need to tell me. So, dear students, if when we look at this picture, it's not been stable. See, it's been up and down, and the building is being like somewhat it will going to be fall, right? And here all the bricks have been damaged over here. It is being fall down. So I think it's a not a construction. It's a destruction due to what? Due to natural disaster. So what we can say is the picture given above shows the destruction which will be caused. Why it has been destroyed? Because forces of the nature means due to the changes which are going to happen in the nature or the environment. So we can say events caused by the forces of nature or the changes in the nature which are going to take place, it's going to create an event. So that leads to or causes what? It creates what? Heavy destruction or heavy loss. For what? To the life. And the properties. Properties means what? So the assets which we are going to own. It may be building or the office, house, home, even the natural resources. So all this comes under property. These called natural disaster or natural calamities, you can say. So generally we can say the natural calamities or the natural disaster is been not caused by the or famed or created by the man. It happens, it occurs naturally in the environment. Okay. So dear students, the most common natural disasters are earthquake, flood, drought and cyclones. So dear students, in this chapter you are going to learn what is natural disaster and its types and causes and measures one by one. That is earthquake, flood, drought, cycle, how it is going to occur. What are the reasons? How when it occurs, what are the measures we need to adopt? All this you are going to learn this in chapter. Okay. So dear students, so let us see the meaning of certain terms which comes in this chapter. That is destruction. 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 So what does the word destruction tells? Events caused by the forces of nature that cause heavy destruction or the damages to the life and the property, physical properties are called natural disasters or natural calamities. So here nothing but destruction or the damage we can say. Okay. So events are the circumstances or the situations which are caused by what? By the forces of nature, by the effect of the nature that is going to harmful for the heavy destruction, heavy damage for the life of a human being and the property which we own are called natural disasters or natural calamities. So we can say the natural disasters are nothing but which includes earthquakes, flood, drought and cyclone and tornado, a mudslide, volcanic eruption, sandstorm, deforestation, forest fire, tsunami, tufan. So all these comes under natural disaster. These are not created by the man. It happens in the nature itself. Which are those? Earthquake, flood, drought, cyclone, mudslide, tornado, volcanic eruption, sandstorm, deforestation, forest fire, tsunami, typhoon, tufan, etc. So, dear students, next comes under natural disaster was earthquake. EARTHQUAKE, earthquake. So, what is the meaning of it? An earthquake is nothing but it is a sudden trembling or shaking of the surface of the earth. So, the topmost layer of the earth which is going to tremble or it is going to shake of the surface of the earth, we call it as earthquake. Earthquake is nothing but sudden shaking of the surface of the earth. Next is floods. An overflow of a large amount of water beyond its normal limit. During the rainy seasons, when the surface of the area is been covered with the heavy water, when it's going to suck the passage of the water and it creates flood. So an overflow of a large amount of water beyond its normal limits, especially during rainy, is called what? Flood. Next comes droughts. So as we know that under natural disaster we come across earthquake, flood, drought, cyclone, storm, mudslide. So next we will see about drought. So children, a prolonged period of abnormal low rainfall leads to what? Shortage of water. Due to this what happens? The land